Russian transportation of troops is often done with unarmored vehicles, filled to the maximum, which increases the likelihood of suffering casualties if hit. Seen here again with a transportation van going fast, possibly trying to avoid getting targeted. But with Ukraine's drone army, the speed is no problem to strike the vehicle. Due to the van being non-armored, the striking location matters less, as the vehicle can more easily get destroyed anywhere. With the drone striking the back roof section, it immediately started burning, showing how effective these FPV drones are in taking out Russian transportation vehicle, destroying another one, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.